This question says, which gear, A or B, rotates on its axis faster? Is it gear A, gear B, or if both A and B have equal rotation speed, then mark C. So here we have gear A, which is directly meshed with gear C, and then here we have gear B, which is the very large gear. Now gear A is on its own shaft, gear A and gear C are directly meshed, and gear C is on a different shaft, which is the same shaft as gear B is on. So with that said, let's consider what's happening here. So let's assume, for example, we had a clockwise rotation of gear A. And again, this is on this independent axis here. Well, because gear A and gear C are directly meshed, and they have the same radius, we know that they have the same tangential velocity and the same rotational velocity, although their direction of rotation will be opposite. So if we assume A is clockwise, then C is counterclockwise. But more importantly, we know that their speeds of rotation are the same. Now, we know that gears C and B are on this other axis, and we know now that gear C is rotating at the same speed as A. Now, because B is on the same axis of rotation as C, their rotational speeds will be identical. So because the rotational speed of A is equal to the rotational speed of C, and because C and B are on the same axis, we can also conclude that the rotational speed of C is equal to the rotational speed of B. Now again, the question is, which gear, A or B, rotates faster on its axis? Well, they're all rotating at the same speed, which means that the correct answer is C. Both A and B have equal rotation speed.